everyone, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to be speaking on the beautiful monogram and different color nano almas that are coming out, and I am also going to reveal the monogram bum bag that is coming out very soon. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay, Bessie, so we are going to get straight into this video because it's going to be a little lengthy. I want to go through each handbag, and then I am going to speak on the monogram bum bag that is launching very soon. The first color I want to speak on is this beautiful purple. For those that are fans of the color purple, I think this is perfect. It's not too much purple, and it's still giving us that monogram for those that are monogram canvas lovers. The only downside to this is the size. It's a nano size. For you guys that are asking, is an Alma BB going to come out in this type of print, in this design? And it's absolutely no. I had to do my research. I had to ask around, and as of right now, it's a no for the BB size, but we are going to keep our fingers crossed. So this beautiful purple up against this monogram, I am so glad that they didn't go with the giant LV print with this. And I also want to say this, for you guys that are saying you wish this was gold hardware, I don't understand it, and I don't see how. The silver is absolutely adorable against this color. It's not doing too much, and it's not taking over the handbag because it's already a small handbag. Again, this is the nano size, and it also comes with a purple strap, not a guitar strap. This is not vachetta. Okay, this is not a vachetta strap. Guys, this is a purple leather strap. The tote handles is purple, and I love that the bottom, guys, the bottom is trimmed in purple as well. And of course, underneath, we all know that Alma come with feet, and it's going to be silver hardware. The only thing that I am hoping, and I want LV to do this, and I hope they did not drop the ball, have purple microfiber material inside. So let's keep our fingers crossed. I do not have pictures of the inside, okay? And big shout out to info.lv for providing these pictures. I also want to say launch date is February the 7th, meaning pre-orders is already open. So reach out to your CA, call client services, or go into a boutique if you are interested in the Nano Alma. And the name is the Colormania, okay? Moving forward, this is the color that I am actually interested in. I wanted this yellow in the Epi leather in the Alma BB. You guys know I already have the orange, and I also have the green. I wanted the yellow, but I went for the green, and I'm still kicking myself in the butt about it. But this beautiful combo here, the monogram with the yellow, I do have my eyes on it, and I'm going to be honest, I want this, and the price is $1,760. So for you guys that are looking for handbags under $2,000 and you're not looking for a large handbag, if a nano is something that you're interested in, I think this will be perfect for you. The strap is adjustable. So LV, you most definitely thought about my tall divas, and hey, you know I gotta ride with my tall divas too. So for those that are much taller, I am 5'4", and you are looking for a small handbag that have an adjustable strap and it's also detachable, I think this will be perfect for you. So here is this beautiful yellow that I have my eye on, and it also comes with the strap that I am so happy they included, of course, silver hardware. The next is the money green. If I did not already purchase the Epi Leather Alma BB in the beautiful green color, I most definitely would go for this because I am a fan of the color green. So I absolutely love this combo with the Monogram. But I do have my beautiful Epi Leather Alma BB here. I want to say this as well. With this handbag, if you have this in your collection, the green Alma BB, and you are interested in purchasing this in the green color, the nano with the monogram in green, you can also use the guitar strap that came with this handbag because it still have the silver hardware, so it won't be the gold and silver clashing. I think that will look so adorable. Again, if you have this handbag and you are going for the green and monogram Nano Alma, use this strap, change the straps around, super duper cute. And when I speak on the color, the interior, this is what I want inside of these nano handbags, okay? This beautiful green color and of course the side pocket. Okay, so that is the beautiful green color. Moving on, and again guys, it comes with the matching strap. Next is the orange. I am also a big fan of the color orange. You guys know this. The same exact thing. I have this beautiful orange in the Alma BB in the Epi Leather. And it comes with this beautiful strap. And change out the strap. You can use this strap on that handbag. So if you get the handbag, use a strap. But the inside, LV was a little creative and they gave us this beautiful blue. And what is this? I always have things. Okay, this is a card holder that was gifted to me from my CA. And I just keep it in here. But look at this beautiful blue. So I'm wondering what color is inside of these nano handbags. I want the smooth microfiber material. So in the orange, did they give us blue or did they stay with the orange that matches the outside? I am very curious. If you know or if you've seen any pictures, please share. So that's the beautiful orange. And then if you are a pink lover, LV have been giving us pink handbags, pink SLGs. So I wasn't surprised when this color was shown. So beautiful. I already have a fuchsia on the go tote PM and I have a Dolce & Gabbana pink handbag. So for you guys that love the color pink, this is absolutely gorgeous as well. And I'm pretty sure the inside is going to be this color. I just have faith in LV. Again, it comes with a detachable strap and also adjustable. So guys, that is all of the nano handbags from the Colormania with the monogram. Again, this is the nano size, the smallest size. And just for a preview, I have this video here. I wanted to give you guys just a preview of the size of the Nano Alma. This is the Monogram Nano Alma. This was already released. I wanted to show you just a preview. Again, this is Jim_LV. She's absolutely amazing. She is a CA. She is on Instagram if you want to go and follow her. But look how small this Nano is. So if you do have it, I want to know, would my cell phones fit in? Again, I have an iPhone 14 Pro and an iPhone 14 Pro Max. I need to know, will my phone fit in? Because I have my eye on the yellow and monogram Nano Alma. But again, I think it's so very cute, but I am trying to get away from cute handbags. But I need this color in my collection. So here is the video. Let me know what you think and which color are you interested in, or if this is a pass for you, and let me know why. Is it the size? What is it? Or if you're just done with purchasing handbags right now. So let me know, are you interested in purchasing? And if you are, let me know which color. And if you are passing, let me know why. I'm pretty sure it's the size. It's a nano size. But again, I did my research, spoke with my CAs, and they said for sure they do not see an Alma BB in the making right now. It doesn't mean it's not going to happen. Just right now, this is a size that we are getting, okay? Price again, $1,760. Launch date, February the 7th. Pre-orders are open. Reach out to your CA, call client services, or walk into a boutique, okay? Now, let's move on. A lot of you guys have been wondering. I told you, just whispered a little bit to you guys in your ear that we are receiving a Monogram Bumbag. I have been holding my breath, holding out. I have been wanting to share this with you guys for the longest, and here it is. Don't get mad at me. I told you guys it was kind of giving Easter vibes, just with the pastel colors. I want to know what you think. Is this something that you would purchase? Some of you guys are bum bag collectors, period. You don't care what's on the bum bag, long as you have a bum bag. I told you guys about the zippy wallet that was on the front. I didn't really know how to describe it. A lot of you guys were like, is it like the mini bum bag? No. To me, this is an entire zippy wallet at the front of this bum bag, okay? Vachetta tote handle, and to be honest, it is not the size from the picture. It's not the size of the OG bum bag. I don't think it's going to be that big. I think it's the same size as the front leather OG bum bag, the one that I have in black. So I don't think it's really that big, meaning like the OG, okay? But again, if you are interested, this is another bum bag that they are releasing. Guys, I don't want to say anything about it because I don't want to discourage anyone if you actually do like this bum bag. But for me, it's a no. I think they could have most definitely done something different with their time. And they could have most definitely gave us some more heat, you know. So again, it's a no for me. And I told you guys, it's giving the pink, the orange, the pastel, those pastel colors. And to me, it just look kiddie-ish. And if you look at the zipper, the alignment on the zipper, I'm already complaining. And the bag, and the bum bag isn't even released yet. So do you see the lining? The alignment is just, to me, it's just everywhere. It's all out of place. It's not straight at all. But again, you can tell this isn't going to be the size of the OG bum bag. I am honestly feeling the pocket at the front, the zipper compartment. I am feeling that. I do. I like that. The only thing that I'm not liking is I just think it should have been a plain monogram. It shouldn't have been these different designs. It shouldn't have been any of this. I would have most definitely jumped on this myself if it was just like the OG, a little bit smaller. And it's cute. I love that they took the top flap. You know, the OG has that little top flap that's over the zipper that sometimes gets in the way. I love that they took that away. But again, it's still going to be vachetta. I'm pretty sure they are going to add a detachable strap. I've been noticing that with most of the bum bags coming out, detachable straps, they are adding, and it's good tar straps, okay? Unless it's front leather. So, again, here it is. You guys let me know what you think about it. Again, for me, it's a no. I just feel like it's kind of kiddie-ish. But some of the changes I do like on the bum bag, and that is the front zipper compartment. I absolutely love that. I just want to know if I can fit a phone in there. That's the most important part for me. If I don't have to carry my phone, if I can fit a phone in there. So guys, let me know how you feel. And again, look at that zipper. Do you guys see that? This is the beginning of the production stage. We don't want any bum bags being released with any defects. So I'm seeing it right now. I'm catching it right now. LV, if you're listening, if you have someone listening to my videos, do not release a defective bum bag to any of my besties, okay? So guys, let me know how you feel. Throughout this week, I have broke down some of the new releases that are coming out. We have navy on navy, front leather that's coming out. We have more mini bum bags that are coming out. It's so much. It is so much. We even have a cancellation that was in reverse monogram. Oh my God, I am going to share that, guys. It was a cancellation and we needed it. And it was reverse monogram. Black leather. It's just so much we got to talk about this week. But again, let me know in the comments if you are purchasing one of the Nano Almas from the Colormania. or if you are interested in this bum bag that is coming out soon. I need to get a date on it, but it's coming out soon. But again, look at the zipper, and guys, let's purchase smart. Let's purchase things that we're going to use. I don't want to discourage you, but for me, it's an absolute no. So guys, I am so happy to be able to share these new releases with you. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video, bye bye.